and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Grace Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival celebrated 16 years on Sunday. The event saw seafood lovers out in their numbers, enjoying scrumptious dishes and partaking in the festivities at the event, which was held at the football field in Port Royal. The Seafood Fest also hosted the Grace Kitchen's Celebrity Cook-Off. The cook-off featured actor and musician Dee Burns, comedians Triple X and Janelle, and media personalities Bergaman and Debbie Bissoon, all showcasing their culinary skills. Event organizer Jenny was happy with the turnout for the event.
It's a wow. It's a sweet 16 and it's a dream. I am so happy that it has turned out this way. A little drizzle, and I said, Lord, let your will be done. Look in the crowd. I've never seen such a youthful crowd in a long time, and they stayed. I've never seen a Port Royal, a Grace Tropicana Port Royal Seafood Festival, and the young people stay.
The night climaxed with energetic performances from gospel artists Carrie Sales and Nadine Sutherland, plus dancehall artist Ching Ching, among others. Now, artists Governor, Intense and Iwater were grateful for the opportunity to bring the curtains down on the 16th staging of the event.
Good feeling and a good experience, you know, the player got a role player. Yeah.
A nice vibe, you see me? Yeah man, big up Jenny, big up all the Port Royal. I get a message, it's a great vibe.
Yeah man, it's a great feeling man, because we come show the people them the love, because you don't know, go over there, so we have to come represent to.
In commemoration of their Sweet 16, a sum of $16,000 along with 16 other prizes were awarded throughout the course of the day. Happy Sweet 16. Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul was among the entertainers honored at yesterday's staging of the National Honors and Awards ceremony.
Sean Paul Henriquez, a contribution to the global popularity and promotion of reggae music.
The event, held on the lawns of King's House, saw the Dirty Rock DJ be presented with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for his contribution to the global popularity and promotion of reggae music. Sean Paul joined an elite list of music producers and artists who have made sterling contributions to the development of various genres of Jamaican music. Among the honorees was member of the trio, the I3s, Rita Marley. Rita was presented with the Order of Jamaica for her contribution to the popularization of Jamaican music and by extension brand Jamaica on the world stage, and for humanitarian work through the foundation she established. Noted music producer Gussie Clark also received Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander. The ceremony featured performances from reggae artists Stephen Marley and Dean Fraser. Stephen Marley delivered an acoustic set performing a version of his mother's hit Harambe.
For no matter what they do, no matter what they say, all the cha-cha children and go Harambe, Harambe. You hear what they say, Harambe.
The National Honors and Awards ceremony honored over 143 Jamaicans in various categories. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.